Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change YouTube channel description. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your channel on the YouTube. So I'm going to search for my channel here and click on your channel. So I'm going to open my channel. Click on customize channel and then you need to go on to the basic info, and here you can see option of description. So you can add anything in the description up to 1000 character, I think, or word. So let me check. Yes, 1000 character. And once you add, you simply need to click on publish, and here you can see the description on the top of the channel that you added here. So this is the process how you can change YouTube channel description. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.